Guys, this is Ben, and today we are doing a coding problem on Leetcode. For those of you who don't know, Leetcode is a platform that allows people to practice data structure and algorithm skills, specifically for coding interviews. But I'm doing this as a brain teaser. It's been a while since I've done some of these, so let's see how we do. So we have a problem called group anagram, giving an array of strings, group anagrams together. So in this case, we have an input of EAT, TEA, TAN, ATE, NAT, BAT. So let's copy and paste this right here so you guys can follow along with what I'm doing. We have this input of strings, and our desired output is as you could probably tell already, it's a group of anagrams. What an anagram is, for example, is the rearrangement of the characters in a word to make up different words. So, for example, we have first input from the input string. We have EAT, and that itself can become ATE, which is right here. So, and we also have EAT itself, and then TEA. And the second row, we have NAT and TAN. So in this case, we have NAT. If we sort it, it will become ATN. So what I'm thinking is that we need a way to figure out how we could match how we could go through all of the input string and find out if any of the subsequent word is a match of our existing anagram. So in this case, what I'm thinking is that we need a place to hold these values. We need some kind of data structure to hold our. We need some kind of data structure to hold the element that we have already visited. So in that case, we need a hash map where you will have a key and value pair. The key being that will just be a string. In this case, what I'm thinking is what we could do is, as we go through each character, each string, we would then sort the characters within that particular string, and then use that as a key. So for example, on line 14, if we have ATE, we sort, well, that's a bad example. If we on right here, if we have EAT, if we sort that, it will become AET. If we sort ATE, it would become AET. If we sort TEA, again it will become AET. Same concept with the second row and the third row. So it should be pretty simple. So as we go through each element in the input, we can add those into our map. So without further ado, let's code this out. First, we need a map. I'm going to initialize a new map, and then do a for let I is 0, I is less than I plus plus. If map that has key, we need the key so in this case let key equals to strs dot split. So we split the string by its character. Split dot sort, so we sort the values of the resulting array from the split, and we sort that by the character, and we joined it back together to form a new potential key for us. So if the map has this key, we know that we need to get the element from the key, get the element from the map using the key. Get key dot push. So strs at I else map if it has the key. If it does not have the key, then we know that this is a new element. This is a new key element. So we need to have an entire new key value pair entry. So key, and then we will have a string str and now this will give us a key. So this will give us a map that has the key value pair. However, we need to the desired output is a list of arrays, a list of strings, tongue twist right there. So in that case, we will need to loop through our result map for let key value, let's call it val, of map. We'll have a result array, result.push, and return val. Let's see. In this case, we should have our desired output. Let's run the code. Yep, I knew there's some issue around here. Split sp. Oh, you know what? I forgot to access the element from it. Run the code. Put that dot set Run the code. Yes, instead. All right, so run the code. Sometimes you just gotta check for that. Output EAT expected. Okay, so that works. Let's check our performance. Our runtime is 124 milliseconds, faster than the 91.65%. Memory usage is 45 megabytes, less than 80% of JavaScript online submission for group anagram. Okay, so that's that. This is the one of the first few videos that I'm putting out. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna put out more content. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.